said okay then, what is the best way to taste the fresh flavors that make it the basis of my sacred playlist of the fruit selection? I'm a fruit selector. Believe in me 'cause of the fruits.
So, fruit salad we need to do for salads and also for a fruit cut. We're going to do a compote or a coulis. We'll make it into a coulis. The difference between a compote and a coulis is that the compote has the fruits kept whole. The coulis, it's all fine and spread out. So I'm going to put that on first. So equal amounts of water and sugar. A little bit of lemon juice or vinegar. This will just stop it from crystallizing. Turn that on. I'm going to just gently stir that together. I don't want to be splashing the pan. Okay. Just to mix it together a little bit. Because I'm doing a coulis, I can put my frozen berries in there now. If I was doing a compote, I'd put the berries in at the end, alright? So they stay hot. So that's just going to tick along there. Right, basic fruits. We're going to do orange, kiwi fruit, apple, grapes, and a banana. So we'll start off with peeling, how you peel your oranges. We're going to take the top and the bottom off. And then we're going to roll the knife around, keeping the fruit nice and whole looking, so it's round, not square sides. What's that?
Are you going to segment it?
Huh?
Are you going to segment the orange?
Yeah, I'm going to segment it, yeah. So I do one side. Turn it over, we check that we've got all the white bits there, which we have. The correct way of segmenting is that you cut in between the lines and you pop them out. You cut all the way through properly, like this. Okay. What I'm going to do, we're going to do a bit different. We're going to cut each side of this white bit. And then we're going to cut down the centre. And then we're going to cut in between the lines, just like this. The reason I do it like that is because we're going to end up with more even sized pieces. We don't have as much waste on the fruit. Okay, right, so I'm going to start putting some of this on my plate. So we have to do 2 portions. Put these to the side. Okay. So kiwi fruit, it's exactly the same. Top. Take the bottom off. Then we're going to be rolling the knife around just under the skin, okay? So we don't take heaps and heaps of flesh away. We're just literally taking the skin off. Now remember, it's always important when you're doing your assessment dishes is that you've got your waste bucket, you're keeping your board clean and free of everything else. All you need on there is what you're using at the time. Okay, so kiwi fruit, we can either dice or we can slice it. I think I'm dice mine, so we've got different appearances on our plate. So try and keep them as even sized as we can. Those to one side. For our grapes, we need to pull these off. Obviously keeping all the stalk out of it. Cut them in half. Now if they're seedless grapes, that's fine, we can just put them straight on. If they're not seedless, you've got to remove the seeds, and how you do that is that you just basically use the end of a teaspoon and you just pop them in there and pop it out. But it would be this part as a teaspoon, and they'd come out, yeah? So that will get rid of your seeds. Randomly place our grapes. So for an apple, cut it in half. Because it's a nice red apple, I'm going to leave the skin on. Cut it into a quarter. I'm going to cut the core out. We can slice this one. Place this on our fruit salad. So if we were going to present this fruit salad at a later date, what do we do to keep this looking fresh? Lemon juice to stop them going brown. But because we're serving it a la carte, so it's straight to order, and someone's ordered it, we're going to make it up.
Thank you.
So banana. Peel back our banana. Just going to take a bit off because I only need a little bit. You can do what you like with the banana really. I'm going to cut on a bit of an angle as well. So banana goes quite black too if it's left. Look. You like that, Curtis? Okay, our coolie's here. Do you want to lift me? So put a bit of yoghurt on there. Now when you put your yoghurt on, although we've randomly placed the stuff, they're still in some sort of order. So we want to still be able to put them all in the same place. So basically when you've got 4 or 5 of the same desserts go out to a table in a restaurant, they all want to look as if they're from the same place. So that's why we need them all sort of, the yoghurt always goes in the same place, like that, okay? So basically that's your 2 portions that you need to do a fruit salad. I've got the coulis coming on here which will take a little bit longer. So once that's done, I'll show you what we do with that, okay?
Do we have to do 2 portions too?
Yeah, 2 portions, yeah. Yeah, if you like.
Are you?
Yeah.
Any kids that come to you? First one, first,